Welcome to our Computer Science MCQ series. Whether you're studying for exams or just love tech, this series will challenge and expand your knowledge. Let's dive in and test your skills. Which type of virus can change its code to avoid detection by antivirus software? A. Macrovirus. B. Polymorphic virus. C. Resident virus. D. Logic bomb. Answer. B. Polymorphic virus. Explanation. Polymorphic viruses can alter their code each time they infect a new file, making them harder to detect. Which virus type hides in the computer's memory and remains active even after the infected program has stopped running? A. Resident virus. B. File infector virus. C. Macrovirus. D. Boot sector virus. Answer. A. Resident virus. Resident viruses load into memory and can remain active. Which of these is not an indicator of a virus infection? A. Slow system performance. B. New, unfamiliar icons appearing on the desktop. C. Faster internet browsing. D. Frequent pop-up ads. Answer. C. Faster internet browsing. What type of malware disguises itself as legitimate software to trick users into installing it? A. Trojan horse. B. Worm. C. Adware. D. Spyware. Answer. A. Trojan horse. Trojans pretend to be harmless or useful software but contain malicious code. What is a zero-day virus? A. A virus detected on the day it was released. B. A virus with no harmful effects. C. A virus targeting only new operating systems. D. A virus that's never been detected before. Answer. D. A virus that's never been detected before.
What type of virus is spread through email attachments or documents? A. Worm. B. Macrovirus. C. Boot sector virus. D. Resident virus. Answer. B. Macrovirus. Macroviruses are embedded in documents and are often spread through email attachments. Which of the following is a symptom of a computer virus infection? A. Increased internet speed. B. Unusual computer crashes. C. Increased battery life. D. Enhanced computer performance. Answer. B. Unusual computer crashes. Which of the following terms refers to a virus designed to activate at a specific time or date? A. Logic bomb. B. Spyware. C. Macrovirus. D. Worm. Answer. A. Logic bomb. A logic bomb is a type of malware that remains dormant until it's triggered by a specific event, such as a date or time. Which of the following is often used to prevent and detect computer viruses? A. Antivirus software. B. Word processor. C. Firewall. D. Disk cleaner. Answer. A. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is specifically designed to detect, prevent, and remove viruses and other malware from computers. Which of these is not a method for spreading computer viruses? A. Infected email attachments. B. Software downloads from unknown sources. C. External storage devices like USB drives. D. Regular operating system updates. Answer. D. Regular operating system updates.
That wraps up today's Computer Science MCQ session. Great job to everyone who participated. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more MCQs. See you next time.